Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make a roasted tomato salsa. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 pounds of Roma tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green onions, a Poblano pepper, a quarter of a red onion, a quarter cup of fresh cilantro, a tablespoon of lime juice, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of cumin. This recipe is for a mild salsa. If you'd like a spicier salsa, feel free to add 1 to 2 jalapeno peppers. We'll start by setting the broiler on our oven to high. Then, we'll rinse off our tomatoes, cilantro, green onion, and poblano pepper in the sink. After rinsing our vegetables, we'll spray a foil-lined pan with cooking spray. Then, we'll cut the tops off of our tomatoes and pepper, core our pepper, and slice them in half lengthwise, placing them skin side up on our baking sheet. Then we'll peel the outer layers of our onion and garlic. We'll place 3 cloves of garlic on our baking sheet and slice about a quarter off of our onion, placing everything in an even layer before roasting it in our oven. After we've prepared our tomatoes, peppers, garlic, and onion, we'll place them in the oven and allow them to broil on high for 10 minutes until the skins become blistered and charred. We'll allow these to cool for half an hour before we continue working with our salsa. While our roasted vegetables are cooling, we'll rip the leaves off of our cilantro and chop our green onion into thirds. We'll reserve 1/3 of our green onion and thinly slice it to use as garnish. Once our roasted vegetables have finished cooling, we'll roughly peel our tomatoes and peppers. It's okay for some of the skin to remain on them because the char will give our salsa some added flavor. Once we've peeled our tomatoes and pepper, we'll smash our garlic cloves under a knife to finish peeling them. I'm going to be using a food processor for this next part, but it's possible to do this by hand or in a blender if necessary. We'll take half of our tomatoes, our tablespoon of lime juice, teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and quarter teaspoon of cumin, and puree the mixture. Once pureed, we'll add our remaining tomatoes, garlic, poblano pepper, onion, green onion, and cilantro, and process these in quick 1-second bursts until finely chopped. Then we'll transfer our salsa to a bowl and garnish it with our reserved green onion slices. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.